How to connect cryptocurrencies as a payment method to Telegram store. I go to the admin panel, go to payment settings, click on crypto, select which cryptocurrency I want to connect, in this case Bitcoin Cash. I click on connect Bitcoin to the system, and here it gives me all the directions and instructions to do that. And now let's go and do it. I go to the site that they indicate in the instructions, and ego, it screams okay. I fill it out with all the names. Okay, email confirmed, we are registered now. We follow the instructions 3. We go to this URL here, we can copy and paste it. Okay. Okay, create a new box to do it. Go to go URL, edit record. Okay, we are here, and tie it to your wallet from point 1. Perfect. Then payment box name, whatever name we put, Drake. Public key coin name, Bitcoin Cash. Payment type of payment box, select payment. Payment box, as it says in the instructions. Notification by email and callback URL should be left blank. And this instead is leave as is the no. Okay, then your Bitcoin Cash address. Your money will be transferred to it. Just enter the wallet address. Legacy. It should start with 13. Okay, you enter it here. Leave this as it is. We'll skip all the fields. Okay, let's go to here and click on get code. Perfect. Now let's fill it out. Once you have filled out all the fields at the bottom, you saw get code. Click on it, will send you a confirmation code. Enter it and hit save here at the top, and if you have done everything correctly, it will tell you it was added correctly. Once you have done that, you need to copy the keys you find above and paste them here. Okay? First you have to click on here above and then paste your keys and hit enter, and if everything is correct, you will get the message. Copy paste your public key and your private key, and then you will see the message Bitcoin Cash is linked to your store. You have linked Bitcoin Cash cryptocurrency as payment receipt in your Telegram store. Hello, and see you next tutorial.